What happens when love and fate collide? Some love stories begin with passion, others with heartbreak, but only a few become legendary. Today, I'll share 9 record-breaking Turkish dramas that have captivated audiences worldwide and are a must-watch in 2025. Each series is filled with intense emotions, unforgettable characters, and powerful stories. So, let's dive right in. Number 9, Kara Para Aşk, English, Black Money Love. A fearless police officer, a talented jewelry designer, and a mystery that changes their lives forever. When Omar and Elif cross paths after a shocking tragedy, they uncover a dangerous web of lies and corruption. As they search for justice, emotions run high, and an unexpected love story unfolds. But can their love survive when the truth is darker than they ever imagined? To find out, watch this thrilling series. Number 8, Siyah Beyaz Aşk, English, Price of Passion. A man with a dark past, a woman who believes in love, and a forced marriage that changes everything. Farhat, a ruthless hitman, and Asl, a compassionate doctor, find themselves bound by fate. At first, their relationship is built on fear and hatred, but as time passes, something unexpected happens. Will love be strong enough to break through Farhat's cold heart? Watch this gripping drama to see how their story unfolds. Number 7, Benim Hala Umudum Var, English, I Still Have Hope. A young woman with big dreams, and a man who changes her life forever. Umut is a simple, optimistic girl, until she meets Ozan, a charismatic actor. Their love story is passionate, but filled with challenges. Will Umut fight for her love, or will destiny tear them apart? To know what happens next, watch this emotional journey. Number 6, Erkin Sikus, English, Daydreamer. An aspiring writer, a free-spirited photographer, and a love story full of surprises. Sanem and Can's relationship begins with misunderstandings, but soon, sparks fly. Their journey is full of laughter, romance, and unforgettable moments. Will their love survive the chaos? Find out in this heartwarming romantic comedy. Number 5, Kara Sevda, English, Endless Love. A love so strong, yet destined for heartbreak. Kemal, a hard-working man, and Nihan, a wealthy artist, fall deeply in love, but their happiness is shattered when a powerful villain forces them apart. Will they find their way back to each other, or will fate keep them apart forever? This iconic drama will keep you on the edge of your seat. Number 4, Caesar ve Guzla, English, Brave and Beautiful. A man seeking revenge, and a woman caught between love and betrayal. Caesar enters Suhan's life with a hidden motive, but what happens when love gets in the way? As their worlds collide, secrets are exposed, and the battle between love and revenge begins. Will love win in the end, or will the past destroy everything? Watch this intense drama to find out. Number 3, Kiralk Aşk, English, Love for Rent. A love story built on a lie, but destined to be real. Daphne, a struggling waitress, is offered a secret deal, make Omar fall in love with her. But as time passes, she finds herself trapped between deception and true love. Can love survive when it starts with a lie? Find out in this charming romantic comedy. Number 2, Fatmagıl'ın Sukune, English, What is Fatmagıl's Fault? A story of survival, redemption, and finding love in the most unexpected place. Fatmagıl's life takes a devastating turn when she is forced into marriage with Kerim. At first, she resents him, but as time passes, she begins to see his true heart. Will she find justice and learn to trust again? This emotional drama is a must-watch. Number 1, Aşk Memnu, English, Forbidden Love. A love story so passionate, yet so tragic. Behter, a woman trapped in a loveless marriage, falls for Behlul, her husband's nephew. Their affair is filled with desire, but also danger. Can love survive when it's forbidden, or will it end in heartbreak? Watch this legendary drama to uncover the shocking truth. And that's it for today's video. Which of these Turkish dramas is your favorite? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Turkish Dramas Notion for more amazing content. Until next time, happy watching.